Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is May 3rd, and that is known in the dolly community as Amaya Raine Day. And you can use any Amaya Raine or Rainbow High or Shadow High doll to join in that you want. I do this each month with Dory's Dollies, and we come up with a theme. The theme this month is rain and rainbows, and it is rainy out here today. Excuse me. With an emphasis on bows. So I'm not great at bows, but I tried. And this I put in her hair. And then I made her this dress. Remember I said last month that I had lost my pattern? I redid it. I haven't redone the darts yet, but I'll get there. Come back on the 3rd of May and I might have another dress for her. I did a little rainbow print dress. I really love this fabric. I had bought these, I think both of these came. No, I think this one was from Joann's, and this one was from Walmart in the fat quarter section. And then I just put an orange bow on there because hardly anybody uses orange. I love it. A lot of people don't. And then I did some twisting and turning and ballet kind of lacing for her sandals. And then I attempted a nice bow, and it took 4 hands to do this. I asked Darren, can you hold something for me? So I had him hold this cross, and then when I put the bow in up here, you know how you start it and you get there, and then if you let loose of that cross piece, it loosens up, and I was afraid it would loosen the whole sandal. So I had him hold too. He prints these little shoe soles for me. I make a lot of sandals. I'm going to get brave and make shoes out of them sometime. I wish I had time for that. Right now, I do not. Thank you for joining in. If you have today, please leave us a note in the comments. Leave a note in the comments on any Rainbow High video today that is joining in. That way we can network together and see everyone's videos and subscribe to one another and leave likes and really make this fun for everybody. Dory, I can't thank you enough, and I know you're going to have big, beautiful bows today. Nobody does hair and bows like you do, my friend. Thank you so much for watching, and please join us again next month. We will be announcing our themes very soon. Dory and I also do a High Barbie on the 18th of the month for Barbie dolls, and we do a Dolls Gone Goth where we show dolls that are, have a little edge to them. We're not the goth police. You can do anything you want. And we also are part of the elf collaboration, which also features Penny at Playful Reborn and Tina at Tina's Reborns and More. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Don't be too hard on my bows. And subscribe.